Feeling chilly today. In fact, for much of this week, the outlook is unsettled with spells of wet and windy weather most days. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Monday, 25th of May.
Sunshine over the weekend, Laura.
And it makes such a difference because
it?
we've just had the spring equinox and now the sun is gaining the most daylight across the UK than at any other time of the year. Last night, though, the skies clouded over and it was bad news for those who were trying to catch a glimpse of the aurora, the northern lights. We had loads of alarms going off saying it was one of the strongest solar winds we've had in the UK for over a decade. But unfortunately, by the looks of it, it was cloudy. But there's more tonight. Here's the details. So yes, this is the forecast for tonight for those who were hoping to catch a glimpse of the aurora borealis, the northern lights. So overnight, basically northern Scotland northwards. If you look to the north with clear skies tonight, there's a good chance of catching a glimpse of them. But yet again, it is unfortunately looking very cloudy. We'll see that in the forecast in just a moment. Today, it does cloud over. We have outbreaks of rain and it will feel decisively chilly after what was a beautiful sunny weekend of weather for many of us, not for all of us. This is the grey scene greeting us this morning. A weather front moving in from the west, bringing with it rain. Ahead of it, it throws with it cloud and the winds freshen as well. So it's overcast, dull, damp today. Drizzly through western areas, fairly blustery winds move this whole band north and cold enough on the leading edge to turn to snow across northern Scotland. Temperatures moderating from where they have been around about 12 degrees as we head through the day today. But tonight, cloudy skies for much of England, Wales and Scotland. A few clear spells for Scotland and that gives rise, if you look north, to a small chance of seeing those northern lights. Good morning to you. It turned a lot cooler for many of us this weekend and when the sunshine came out, it was beautiful. But we stay cool, we stay unsettled for the week ahead because low pressure is with us and it's low pressure that brings wet and windy conditions. That will spill spells of rain across the UK most days this week. This is Wednesday on into Thursday. Good morning to you. It turned cooler for all of us this weekend and when the sunshine came out, though, it still was fairly pleasant. Sunshine in fairly short supply for the week ahead. Low pressure is with us. Low pressure brings cloud, wind and rain and we'll have that most days as we head through the week. But in between, yes, there'll be some sunshine with temperatures average. But welcome back to Good Morning Britain. The weather turned distinctly chilly this weekend and we stick with the cool and actually fairly unsettled theme of weather for the week ahead. What does that mean? It basically means every day this week there'll be some rain in the forecast and blustery winds driving it through as well. But hints as we head into the Easter weekend, things turn that little bit drier and that little bit. Good morning to you. This weekend, the weather turned distinctly chilly and we stick with the cool theme as we head through the rest of this week. Today is cloudy, it is wet, and this theme continues for the majority of the working week ahead. So the latest satellite radar, a lot of cloud and a lot of rain. This band of rain moving its way eastwards through England, Wales, into Scotland, clearing away from Northern Ireland before some blustery showers follow in later. The far north of Scotland and the southeast of England with the best of any sunshine today. Temperatures average at best, but feeling cool in the cloud and rain further north.